Hey guys, it's Chris, the Tiny House Guy, and I have, I'd say, the final update in my video series of the build section of my camper van. Today I'm testing out some new equipment. Let's see if can I flip this camera around? I can't really flip the camera around, but I'm testing out a new DJI microphone today, wireless microphone. And so that way I can get the audio to improve, because I want to do a final video on this, which will be sort of a tour of it, which hopefully will get a lot more views, and I would like there to be good audio when a bunch of people see this. So let's go over some of the things that I've been doing for the past couple of weeks. First thing is we have this, which is I'm actually holding you on my selfie stick so you can see up and over things, which is really kind of cool. That's actually a mount for the Starlink dish. The pipe of the Starlink dish goes in that little thing here, and you tighten up the knob and it holds it in place. So that's cool. And then to get the Starlink dish cable into the camper, I have a little sort of a screw-on thing here that takes forever to screw out, but it's a pipe where the cable can go through that, which is kind of cool. And it's got a rubber seal so that water doesn't get in there. That is very, very nice. Let's go on inside. I'll show you some of the cool new stuff that we've done. First of all, you'll see I have my YouTube little sign there cut out from the laser cutter. Looks cool. And I've got a door holder, so this thing right here hooks into this thing right here to keep the door open. I added a handle, which makes it easier to get in. That's kind of nice. So let's go on in. And I have all the lights turned on in here. Close this up. I'm going to sit down. Hey, let's go over each of the things one by one. So you see I put in some accent lighting. I just used battery-powered lights. There's nothing special about those. Baskets installed to store things. I've started packing for my trip. That's going to be coming up in a couple of weeks. Probably the biggest thing I added was a refrigerator. I wasn't originally going to do a refrigerator, but I decided to do it because this one was pretty cheap. It's like 160 bucks, I think. It does a really good job. Doesn't draw a lot of power, so that's nice. Then underneath it, see if I can get you down here. Underneath it in the cargo net area, actually that would make you sideways now that I just did that, but whatever, you get the point. So I have the cargo section is to store water bottles. I'm switching over to sort of Arizona iced tea jugs because it's easier to stuff water in various areas. So I've redone the sink intake with Arizona jug, 1 gallon water jug. We have installed a mini toaster oven. It's a really cool little toaster oven, by the way. I highly recommend it. I tested it out, and it cooks just like a regular toaster oven at your house, but it's much smaller. Fits in here perfectly. I've got some straps to hold it in place. Obviously, those straps will come off, and you can get them out of the way so they don't melt, because they probably would melt. This is cool. These are alcohol stoves. So I have 2 of them sort of bolted together. I have a couple little clips to hold them to the top of the wood stove. You're not going to use this when the wood stove is going, but for the most of the time, the wood stove's not going to be going. So these 2 stoves are pretty cool. I have the matching pots. So these things go on top, and they're actually won't fall out. And I have a little egg cooking pan here that can go in that hopefully will cook eggs. So that's kind of nice. Started installing some hangers and hooks and things in here just to hold stuff. I have my bacon packed for my camping trip. Of course, macaroni and cheese. You got to have macaroni and cheese. Installed a little stick-on thermometer. What else have I done? So I went in here. This is actually got kind of messed up. I neatened it up, and then I stuffed that stupid M12 charger in there for power tools. So it's all kind of messy, but that's the Bluetti charger. That right here is the Starlink wireless router. The cable from the Starlink dish plugs into, and it all stays down there. We turn that off. So the Bluetti, it's actually doing pretty good. We're here. You can see we don't really have any sun out, so the sun is just kind of starting to go down, and we're still picking up some of the power off the panels on the roof, which is kind of cool. 84%. That's both batteries connected. Right now I've been actually testing it out just to see how much power the refrigerator draws, and it doesn't seem to be too bad at all. So that's nice. Let's see what else we did. We put a mirror up there. That's exciting. Check that out. Woo! So I got a mirror so you can shave or do whatever else you want. I don't know if you've seen the shower curtain or not, but I got the shower curtain all attached. What else is in here? Whoops. Turn the light on there. So I got a little light in there. I've got some Tupperware containers. This is the, now that you're sideways, this is the thing I'm going to use for showering. You basically fill it up with warm water. You can shower off. It's a 1 gallon ag sprayer with a nozzle at the end of it. So that is working pretty well. Oh, this is cool. This was kind of an unexpected thing, but so if we pull this down, I need to actually change these straps over a little bit. But this comes out, and I can actually put this down here. Sitting down, chilling. If the TV was over there, I could be watching TV, have my table out here, and I could, play on the laptop or whatever. So this kind of turns this into a bit of a recliner. So that's kind of a cool little thing. So let's see what else. I did curtains. Let's see if I can show you the curtains. So I got these little magnets there. Oops, my little alien head magnets. And this piece of cloth kind of goes up here. And again, sorry about the camera work, but basically it kind of works like that. You stick the cloth up with a magnet, and there's one magnet in each corner. We have something similar going on back there. That's the curtain for the bedroom area. So we got curtains. I guess that's probably about it to talk about today. I think I'm going to do a big, all-encompassing video that gives you a tour. It'll be sort of the video that hopefully goes viral. So that'll be up in a couple of weeks. I'm actually going to shoot it when I'm on site at Rogers Campground up in Lancaster. So that's about all I got. So thanks for watching, and catch up with me in probably 2 or 3 weeks, and I'll have a really good tour video, and then probably some follow-up videos on sort of the shakedowns of the camper and how it works. So thanks for watching.